show you how to make cheese omelette bread. Now we will see our ingredients. So we will take this bread, this is egg, this is tomato, this is salt, mozzarella cheese, onion and coriander leaves, and this 2 sauces. You can take any sauce. Now we will mix these ingredients in this egg like this. Then some salt, some coriander leaves, and mix it well. So we are taking this bread slice, and one slice we are take this pizza topping, and one slice we are take mayo sauce. So I love this pizza topping because this taste is amazing, and this is mayonnaise which I also love. So I have taken this mixture, and now we will pour this into the pan. I pour this in our pan. Now we will mix it. I will make the flame fast, and with and now we will take this bread slice, and now we will take this tomato sauce slice. So we will take this mozzarella cheese and spread it on our tomatoes. So now we will cover with this omelette. So we have covered this with omelette. Now we have to take the gas on. So now we will turn it in other side like this. The cheese is melted, so now we will take out of the pan. So this is ready, and it is looking amazing. So you also try in your home, and my new recipe will come very soon. Till then, bye, take care.